Ever wondered how cow rearing can turn into a profitable business? The answer might surprise you. Cattle farming isn't just for large-scale operations anymore. It's a booming opportunity for small farmers, too. From milk production to selling calves, cows offer multiple revenue streams. Ready to discover how to turn these gentle giants into a thriving source of income? Stay tuned, and let's dive into the exciting world of cow rearing. Number 1. Understanding the basics of cow rearing. Cow rearing is more than just keeping cattle. It's about managing a sustainable and profitable farming business. The first step in making money through cow rearing is to understand the basics. Cows are typically reared for milk, meat, or even to produce calves for sale. Each of these markets offers different opportunities for profit, and your choice should depend on local demand and resources. Milk production. Milk is one of the most common products from cows, and it's in high demand across the world. Whether it's for direct consumption or used to make dairy products like butter, cheese, or yogurt, a well-managed dairy farm can be very profitable. The best breeds for milk production include Holstein Friesian, Jersey, and Guernsey cows. Meat production. Some farmers rear cows primarily for beef. This requires a different approach, focusing on breeds like Angus or Hereford that produce high-quality meat. Beef farming can also be profitable, particularly if there's a strong demand for locally sourced or grass-fed beef in your area. Selling calves. Rearing cows for the purpose of breeding and selling calves can also be lucrative. Farmers can sell calves to other cattle farmers or those starting new farms. This method often requires less initial capital investment compared to meat or milk production. Number 2. Choosing the right breed. The success of a cow-rearing business largely depends on selecting the right breed. Different breeds are suited to different climates and purposes. For instance, dairy cows like Holstein Friesians are known for high milk yield, while breeds like Brahman or Angus are known for their resilience and meat production. Dairy breeds. Dairy breeds like the Holstein, Jersey, and Guernsey are popular for milk production. They produce large quantities of milk, which can be sold or processed into other dairy products. When choosing a dairy breed, consider factors like milk yield, health, and adaptability to your local environment. Beef breeds. If you're focusing on meat production, breeds like Angus, Hereford, and Brahman are excellent choices. They grow quickly and have good meat quality, making them profitable in markets that value high-quality beef. Dual-purpose breeds. Some breeds are good for both milk and meat production, such as the Shorthorn or Simmental. These dual-purpose breeds can be a good option if you want to diversify your revenue streams. Number 3. Setting up the cow-rearing business. Once you've chosen the breed, it's time to set up your business. Proper infrastructure is key to ensuring the health and productivity of your cows. Land and shelter. Cows need adequate space to graze and move around, which is essential for their health and milk production. Providing clean, well-ventilated shelters protects them from harsh weather conditions. Ideally, each cow should have access to at least an acre of grazing land. Feeding and nutrition. Good nutrition is critical for a cow's productivity. A balanced diet includes grass, hay, and high-quality feed to ensure they are healthy and productive. Water should be available at all times. Some farmers also supplement with minerals and vitamins, depending on the breed and purpose of the cattle. Health management. Cows, like any livestock, are prone to diseases and health issues. Regular veterinary checkups and vaccinations are vital to maintaining a healthy herd. Early detection of illnesses can prevent major losses and ensure the productivity of your cows. Number 4. Cost considerations in cow rearing. Starting a cow rearing business requires an initial investment, but the returns can be substantial if managed well. Initial investment. Buying cows, especially high-quality breeds, can be expensive. The cost varies depending on the breed, age, and purpose of the cow. Infrastructure, including fencing, barns, and feeding equipment, also adds to the initial costs. Ongoing costs. Feeding, healthcare, and maintenance are ongoing expenses. However, these can be managed with proper planning. A good grazing system can reduce the need for expensive feed, while preventive healthcare can lower medical costs. Profit margins. The profit margins in cow rearing depend on your market. Dairy farming typically has more consistent income due to the daily production of milk, while beef farming may have larger payouts when cows are sold for meat. Diversifying into both milk and meat production can help balance profits and minimize risks. Number 5. Marketing and selling your products. Once your farm is up and running, the next step is to market your products. Depending on whether you're focusing on milk, meat, or calves, your marketing strategy may vary. Selling milk. For milk producers, the options include selling directly to consumers, partnering with dairy processing companies, or even setting up a small-scale processing facility on the farm. Many small-scale farmers find success selling milk locally, where consumers value fresh, local products. Meat sales. If you rear cows for beef, the sales process can be a bit more complex. You might sell live cows to meat processors or sell beef directly to local markets. Premium beef from grass-fed cows or organic farms often fetches a higher price. Selling calves. Breeding and selling calves is a straightforward method to generate income. By marketing healthy and well-reared calves to other farmers or livestock markets, producers can secure profitable sales. Focusing on quality ensures that calves fetch the best prices, creating a reliable revenue stream in cattle farming. Number 6. Scaling your business. As your cow rearing business grows, you can expand in a number of ways to increase profits. Increasing herd size. Scaling a cattle farming business can be effectively achieved by increasing herd size. With sufficient land and resources, raising more cows typically leads to higher income. Expanding the herd allows for greater production capacity, ultimately enhancing profitability while ensuring that management practices maintain animal welfare and productivity. Diversifying products. You can also diversify your products. Some farmers venture into producing their own dairy products, such as cheese or yogurt, which can be sold for a higher price than raw milk. Others may invest in breeding programs to sell high-quality calves to other farmers. Value addition. Adding value to your products can significantly increase profits. For example, instead of selling raw milk, consider producing butter, cheese, or even ice cream. These products often have higher margins and can be marketed as specialty items. Number 7. Common challenges and how to overcome them. Every business faces challenges, and cow rearing is no exception. Some common issues include diseases, fluctuating market prices, and managing the health and productivity of your herd. Managing diseases. One of the most significant challenges in cow rearing is the risk of diseases. These can lead to loss of income and even the death of cows. Regular veterinary care, vaccination, and proper sanitation practices can help mitigate these risks. Fluctuating market prices. The prices of milk and meat fluctuate based on market dynamics. To mitigate the impact of these variations, establishing strong relationships with dependable buyers is crucial. Additionally, diversifying revenue streams, such as exploring different markets or value-added products, can help stabilize income and ensure a more resilient farming operation. Maintaining productivity. Maintaining the productivity of your cows requires consistent care and attention. Proper feeding, regular health checkups, and keeping cows in a stress-free environment are key to high milk yields and healthy meat production. Cow rearing is not just a traditional farming practice, it's a modern business with multiple opportunities for income. Whether you're rearing cows for milk, meat, or breeding calves, the potential for profitability is significant. With careful planning, proper breed selection, and effective marketing, cow rearing can become a highly rewarding venture. If you enjoyed this video and want more tips on farming, livestock, and profitable agricultural businesses, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss out on our latest updates. Thanks for watching, and we will see you in our next video.